The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the world's first 5G laptop. This is the Lenovo Flex 5G at Verizon Wireless. This is an exclusive to Verizon here in the States. So if you guys are looking for an always connected PC, this is the one to check out. Like I said, this is a 5G tablet, the 5G laptop tablet, whatever the hell it is. It's available now for $13.99 for retail price of $58.33 a month for 24 months. So you will be paying a pretty penny for this laptop with 5G connections on it. So that's why it's $1,400. So this is a world's first 5G laptop. It does look nice in my personal opinion. If you guys want to get like a hands-on video on the Flex 5G, I suggest you guys check out Michael Fisher and Mr. Mobile's video on the Flex 5G. That will be linked below. So shout out to Michael Fisher from Mr. Mobile for that video on the Flex 5G. It's available in iron gray, 256 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, this is an always connected PC, so pretty cool. So if you guys get Verizon 5G where you live, this is worth picking up. So let's go check it out and see what the laptop looks like. So you do got the front there, you do get your keys and stuff like that. Your 5G logo there on the home screen. When you guys first boot the fan, you guys will get the 5G logo on the home screen there when you guys first boot it up. This does have Windows 10 on it, so that's pretty cool. Nice looking laptop there. I think it looks very nice in my personal opinion. There's the like the front of it there. On the outside you do have the Lenovo logo there on the front, on the top. There's the left side. You do have a couple of ports there. There's it being closed. There's the right side of it. You do have a headphone jack and some other buttons. I'm not sure what they do exactly. Check out that video from Mr. Mobile to find out what these buttons do right here. So that's the right side. You have a headphone jack, which is nice. And there it is, closed with the headphone jack right there. And there is no micro SD support. So say 256 gigs is all you get on this laptop here. So to keep it in mind. So the Lenovo Flex 5G has 29.9 days of standby time, 25.67 hours of usage time. It has a HD 720p with hybrid infrared camera, 12.71 inches in width and 0.58 inches in height. That is with the laptop closed or open. I think that's what it ended being open. So it's really wow. If it's 0.58 inches with it being open, that'd be interesting. I think that's what it being closed at, the 0.58, I think. Someone correct me on that. So it says here, introducing the Lenovo Flex 5G, the world's first PC with lightning fast 5G connectivity, designed exclusively for Verizon. This slim, eye-catching 2-in-1 comes packed with the unmatched power, speed, and efficiency of a 2.84 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX 5G compute platform experience. Experience all the power and convenience of an ultra portable PC that revolutionizes how you work and play. The Lenovo Flex 5G brings cinematic entertainment on the go, and now you can make the most of it with Verizon, the nation's most awarded network. Speed up with 5G. So the main selling point for this laptop is 5G. It's 5G radio, so you will pay a pretty penny for this. So to access Verizon's next generation of wireless connectivity on the world's first 5G compatible PC, stream movies with virtually zero lag time, and browse the web faster than ever before. Welcome to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So if you guys get Verizon 5G where you live, this would be a great pickup. If you guys don't get Verizon 5G where you live, you guys will have 4G on this. So yeah, so I say preferably efficient. Enjoy up to 25 hours of video playback on a single charge. Efficient processing keeps your PC performing at its best throughout the entire day. Security meets convenience. Make passwords a thing of the past. Flex 5G offers enterprise-grade security options including hands-free facial recognition with Windows Hello software and a one-touch fingerprint reader. So you do have facial recognition thanks to Windows Hello and a fingerprint sensor, so that's pretty cool. Live untethered. Bring the office with you, whether you're at the coffee shop or enjoying lunch in the park. Flex 5G reliable LTE connection provides a secure, convenient alternative to public Wi-Fi. Add it to your briefcase or stuff it in your backpack, weighing in at just 2.9 pounds. This ultra sleek 2-in-1 This ultra sleek 2-in-1 is the perfect travel computer. So it's very light and slim and all that. Made to entertain. Watch your favorite shows and movies come to life on the premium 14-inch Full HD wide-angle touchscreen display, complete with the front-facing double outmatched speakers for next-level audio. Get more done. The Flex 5G powerful 2.84 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon Please 5G compute platform. Holy shit. Offers twice the performance of previous generations, making it easier than ever to multitask, swipe between apps, and stay productive. And thanks to the included Microsoft 365 personal software, you'll always have a secure way to share files with friends and colleagues. So you get Microsoft 365 personal pre-installed on here. You probably do have to pay for that. So the specs on this 5G laptop are pretty good. This is a laptop, of course, so you get 29.9 days of standby time, 25.67 hours of usage time. You have a 720p HD camera with hybrid infrared. The 5G laptop weighs 46.4 ounces. The Flex 5G is 12.71 inches in width, and the height of the Flex 5G is 0.58 inches. I think that's with it being closed, I guess. I don't know. You have a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen IPS display that's a 1920 by 1080 pixels, 400 nits. Windows 10 Pro installed, so you get Windows 10 Professional on here. So pretty nice. Your storage is 256 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, so there is no micro SD on here, so all you get is 256 gigabytes of storage, and that's it. But you can use cloud services like OneDrive for that. There's your side ratings: 5G, 4G, global networks. Battery is a 7898 lithium polymer battery. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx 5G compute platform. LTE advances here. As also, if you guys don't get Verizon 5G where you live, you guys will get 4G, and you'll get LTE advance with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. If you guys need help with your Verizon Flex 5G tablet, this Verizon support will help you out with that. It says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what you guys get in the box is the Flex 5G laptop safety 1-2 guide, quick setup guide, the Verizon supplemental setup guide, some removal tool. You also get an AC adapter and power cord, and that's all you get in the box. So if you guys are looking for a 5G laptop, the Flex 5G at Verizon has you covered. It's available now for $13.99 for retail price, or $58.33 a month for 24 months. So this is a nice looking laptop in my opinion. You will be paying a pretty penny. You'll be paying a pretty penny for this laptop because of its 5G because of its 5G connections there. So yeah, so this is an always connected PC, and you guys will be able to experience 5G on Verizon. If you have 5G in your area with Verizon, you guys will be able to experience it. If you guys get this laptop and you guys don't have 5G with Verizon, you guys will have to set up a 4G with Verizon, so not too bad there. So if you guys get this laptop, just check to see if you guys get 5G first with Verizon. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Lenovo Flex 5G is the world's first 5G laptop. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys may please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.